Hey, I'm Aria. Let's make Excel Excel. Today we are talking about the filter function, one of the most powerful dynamic array formulas Excel has ever introduced. Forget manually sorting and copying data. Filter lets you extract exactly what you need from a table, automatically, and it updates the moment your data changes. We are covering 4 features in this video: filtering rows by a condition, filtering columns by title, combining multiple conditions with AND logic, and using filter to build fully dynamic dependent dropdowns. Let's get into it. The filter function takes 3 arguments: the array you want to filter, the condition that determines which rows to include, and an optional value to show if nothing matches. We have a Pokemon table with name, type, and HP columns. The goal here is simple: pull every Pokemon that is of water type into a separate output table automatically. We type equals filter, then reference the entire Pokemon named range as our array. Then we pass the type named range equals the text water as our include condition. Hit enter, and Excel spills the results instantly: Blastoise, Horsey, Staryu, Feraligatr, and Mudkip. Every water-type Pokemon in the table, returned in one formula. Change the data, the output updates. No manual filtering, no copy and paste, just live dynamic results. Filter does not just work on rows. You can also use it to return specific columns from a table. In this example, the output area has an orange HP header. The formula uses the title's named range, which refers to the table headers, and checks which title equals the value in cell J3, which is HP. The formula is equals filter, then the Pokemon array, then titles equals J3, then an empty string as the if empty fallback. When you press enter, filter returns only the HP column for every Pokemon in the table. All 14 HP values spilled vertically in one shot. Swap J3 to point to a different header and the column output changes instantly. This is a clean way to make your output columns dynamic without rewriting formulas. Now let us combine 2 conditions at once. This is where filter gets really powerful. We want to find water-type Pokemon that also have an HP value above a certain threshold. 2 conditions, 1 formula. Here's the trick. You use multiplication to combine them. Each condition produces an array of 1s and 0s. Multiplying those arrays together means both conditions must be true for a row to be included. That is your AND logic. The formula is equals filter, then the Pokemon array, then open parenthesis type equals water, close parenthesis, multiplied by, open parenthesis, HP greater than or equal to the threshold, close parenthesis. The result is Blastoise, Feraligatr, and Mudkip. Every Pokemon that is water type and meets the HP requirement, together, in one formula. If you wanted OR logic instead, you would use a plus sign instead of multiplication. That is all it takes to switch between the 2. This last one is the most practical use case of filter for everyday Excel work, building dependent dropdowns that update automatically based on another selection. Here is the setup. There are 2 cells, type and name. We want the name dropdown to only show Pokemon that match whatever type is selected. Step 1. Build the type list using unique. The formula equals unique of the type named range returns every distinct type from the table. That dynamic list becomes the source for a data validation dropdown on the type cell. Step 2. Build the name formula. In the name cell, we type equals filter, then the name named range as the array, then type equals dropdown type as the condition, where dropdown type is a named range pointing to the type selection cell. Then we add no name found as the if empty fallback. When fire is selected in the type dropdown, the name list updates instantly to show only Arcanine and Entei. Change the type to water, and the name list switches to show all water-type Pokemon. No VBA, no helper tables, just 2 formulas and a data validation rule working together. That is the filter function from every angle. 4 features, 1 formula, and a completely different way to work with data in Excel. Quick recap. 1. Filter rows with a single condition. 2. Filter specific columns by title. 3. Combine conditions with multiplication for AND logic. 4. Filter with unique to build live dependent dropdowns that update automatically. That is how you make Excel Excel.